Hello, I'm Anton. Today is the 7th day of my daily crypto installments. For a whole week, I've been consistently buying 20,000 Bitcoin, 20,000 Ethereum, and 10,000 XRP. Here's a recording of my 7th day of crypto purchases, which took place on January 7th, 2025. While I'm playing the recording, let's discuss one of the 3 cryptos I buy each day. Today we're back to XRP again, and now I want to talk about its speed and advantages. XRP is renowned for its super fast transactions. While sending Bitcoin can take minutes to hours, XRP can process transactions in seconds. Imagine, sending money from Indonesia to another country via bank transfer can take 2 to 3 days and incur significant fees. Using Ripple and XRP technology, it's incredibly fast and much cheaper. That's why several financial institutions around the world have begun to consider XRP for their transfer systems. Furthermore, its transaction fees are extremely low, making it suitable for both large and small transfers. I personally haven't sent XRP anywhere, but understanding its potential alone makes me excited to keep buying crypto in installments. For those who agree with buying crypto in installments like me, please like this video. For those who aren't interested in buying crypto in installments, meaning not buying at all or buying a large amount straight away without installments, please leave a comment so your friends who watch know your reasons. And finally, if you like content like this, don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss the next video. So, let's see if my crypto purchase transaction on the 7th day has been completed. Wow, another problematic XRP purchase transaction. Next time, I'll try to find out how to make this XRP purchase process go smoothly. Finally, the XRP purchase transaction is complete. That's all my sharing about the daily crypto installment program and the world of crypto for today, friends. See you on day 8. We'll be back to Bitcoin, getting deeper and deeper.